Dear Tim and Moby, how do you make a wave? From Danny. Moby and I can make a wave with this amusing spring-like toy. All waves transfer energy. This particular wave is called a transverse wave. Our wave carries energy along the spring, causing the matter that makes up the spring to move at right angles to the direction of the energy flow. Transverse waves are like waves on the ocean. You can find waves everywhere, carrying energy through matter as well as empty space. Water, sound, light, and even earthquakes travel in waves. Waves behave differently, but they all have similar characteristics that we can observe and measure. The crest is the highest point of a wave, and the trough is the lowest point. That distance between the center of the wave and the crest is the amplitude. This is also a measure of how much energy is carried in the wave. The distance a wave travels in one cycle is one wavelength. That's measured by finding the distance between two crests, or two troughs. Waves are also measured by their frequency. The frequency is the number of waves that pass a given point in 1 second. It's measured in waves per second, or hertz. And frequency is related to wavelength. A wave with a short wavelength will have a high frequency, while a wave with a long wavelength will have a low frequency. Right, when it comes to radio waves, FM waves have a higher frequency than AM waves. Radio waves are one type of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic waves can travel through empty space and even through the walls of your house. Electromagnetic waves don't need anything to travel through, but mechanical waves do. Moby? Everything you hear travels in sound waves. Sound waves move through the air and make your eardrum vibrate. Sound waves are compressional waves. Unlike a transverse wave, the matter that compressional waves move through moves back and forth in the same direction as the energy of the wave. Vibrations in a surface like a drum will push air molecules together, forming a series of compressions that travel through the air. That's what sound is. Like I said, mechanical waves need something to travel through. That's why you won't hear anything if you find yourself in deep space, unless, of course, you bring your own air. Well, that's about enough on waves for now. Say goodnight, Moby.